Welcome to Legit 5 Picks. If you're serious about vlogging, 2025 has brought some insane cameras with 4K cinematic quality, AI-powered autofocus, and next-level stabilization. But with so many options, which one is the best for you? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best vlogging cameras of 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we've got something for everyone. And hey, camera number 1 might just surprise you. Let us know in the comments, which one would you pick? And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top tech picks. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1 is a high-end full-frame vlogging camera designed for creators who want cinematic quality in a compact body. Featuring a 12MP full-frame sensor, it delivers stunning low-light performance with exceptional dynamic range. Its AI-driven autofocus ensures sharp subject tracking, while 5-axis stabilization makes handheld shots incredibly smooth. The camera supports 4K 120 frames per second recording, giving vloggers buttery-smooth slow-motion footage. Additionally, its flip-out touchscreen, dedicated background defocus button, and enhanced mic system make vlogging effortless. However, its premium price and lack of a built-in flash may not suit budget-conscious users. Overall, the Sony ZV-E1 is an excellent choice for serious vloggers who prioritize cinematic visuals and cutting-edge AI features. Number 4, Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a versatile mirrorless camera that blends retro aesthetics with modern performance, making it a fantastic choice for vloggers and content creators. Equipped with a 26.1MP X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X-Processor 5, it delivers sharp 4K 60 frames per second video with Fujifilm's signature film simulations for a cinematic look. Its AI-powered autofocus ensures accurate subject tracking, while in-body image stabilization, IBIS, helps keep footage steady, even in handheld shooting. The fully articulating touchscreen, 3.5mm mic/headphone jacks, and long battery life make it ideal for on-the-go creators. However, it lacks 4K 120 frames per second recording and dual card slots, which may be a drawback for professionals. Overall, the X-S20 is a compact yet powerful choice for those who want high-quality video with Fujifilm's unique color science. Number 3, Panasonic Lumix GH7. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 is a high-end micro Four Thirds camera that excels in both photography and videography. It features a 25.2MP BSI CMOS sensor with phase detect autofocus, delivering sharp images and fast, accurate focusing. The camera supports a wide range of video formats, including internal ProRes RAW recording and 4K/120p capture, catering to professional videographers. Its robust in-body image stabilization ensures steady shots, and the fully articulated touchscreen enhances usability. While the GH7 offers excellent dynamic range, its low-light performance is adequate but not exceptional. Overall, the GH7 is a versatile hybrid camera suitable for content creators seeking advanced features in a compact form factor. Number 2, Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is a compact point-and-shoot vlogging camera designed for creators who need high-quality video in a portable form factor. Featuring a 20.1MP 1-inch sensor and fast 24 to 70mm f/1.8-2.8 lens, it delivers sharp 4K video with excellent background blur, bokeh. The real-time autofocus and product showcase mode make it perfect for vloggers and reviewers, ensuring smooth focus transitions. The directional 3-capsule microphone with a windscreen enhances audio clarity, while the flip-out touchscreen makes framing easy. However, its fixed lens and lack of interchangeable lenses may limit versatility, and no headphone jack could be a drawback for some creators. Overall, the Sony ZV-1 is an excellent grab-and-go vlogging camera with strong autofocus, great video quality, and creator-friendly features. Number 1, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a compact, all-in-one camera and gimbal system that has garnered significant attention since its launch in November 2023. Equipped with a 1-inch sensor, it delivers impressive image quality with notable background blur and enhanced low-light performance. The device supports 4K video recording and features a fully articulated touchscreen for intuitive control. Its compact design makes it ideal for content creators focusing on vertical formats like Reels or TikTok videos, as it seamlessly switches to portrait mode when rotated. The built-in battery supports fast charging, ensuring minimal downtime during shoots. However, it's worth noting that the Osmo Pocket 3 is not waterproof and lacks fixed focus, distinguishing it from typical action cameras. Overall, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a breakthrough video camera that offers high-quality footage in a pocket-sized form factor, making it a valuable tool for vloggers and on-the-go filmmakers. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best vlogging cameras in 2025. Whether you're after 4K quality, AI-powered autofocus, or pro-level stabilization, there's a perfect option for every creator. Picking the right camera depends on your style, budget, and needs, so which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Legit 5 Picks, and hit the bell icon for more top tech picks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.